What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today's video is exciting because yes sir, we are going back to the track. Before we get started with today's video, guys, I'd want to go ahead and thank each and every one of you guys that are subscribed to the channel. We are at 3,500 subscribers, amazing milestone, and thank you guys for those that have been subscribed and watching my YouTube videos. And for those of you that are new, my name is Jorge and I do a lot of content related to my 2019 Camaro and racing and car modifications in general. So if you like what you see, I hope you guys hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. We have been out at the track 2 times already trying to run a 9-second pass before, and one way or another we end up coming just a little bit short, and we are right there knocking on the door, guys. So hopefully today is the day. Like I mentioned, 3rd time's the charm and we can get it done. For those of you guys that are new and don't maybe know what the setup is on the Camaro back here, guys, this is a 2019 Camaro SS. It's on a full drag pack, and engine wise it is got a cam, ported heads, the full intake manifold from MSD with the port job, ported throttle body, intake, headers, E85, and of course a 150 shot of nitrous. Now, we haven't gotten the car on the dyno, but that is the plan here in the next few weeks. But the car has ran a best of a 1002 at 139 around there, so it's very close. It's right there to that 999. That is what we got going on today, guys. I've already of course fixed the fuel pressure issue from the Standalone. I've got a brand new full 15-pound bottle of nitrous ready to go, and it's just a matter of getting to the track, making sure we don't make any mistakes, which I've been prone to making. Things like forgetting to put the car back in drive after we do the burnout. We definitely don't want to do that. Making sure that we purge the line and that the nitrous is armed and ready to go. All that stuff is things that we just mentally have to be prepared for and make sure that we get right. And if everything falls where it needs to be, then hopefully we get that 9-second pass. Now, before we head to the track, I gotta give you guys the cold start. It is empty. The weather actually feels really nice. It's nice and cool, so I'm excited. I'm really looking forward to seeing what the car can do. I think we should be able to get that 9-second pass today. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can do it right off the bat, and then we can focus on maybe showing you guys the difference between a nitrous 150 shot run and a full timing just NA run on the same night, same weather, same everything. So looks like we'll be able to get quite a few runs in, so stick around and enjoy the show. All right, guys, we're up against a 3rd gen Camaro. We'll get our first pass. We're gonna be the first cars down the track. Hopefully we got some good grip, and we'll see how the car does. Drive, turn the nitrous on, purge it. All right. Whoa. The car did not want to shift there, but a 995. Woo! Whoa! Oh man, the car did not want to shift there for some reason. Well guys, we did it. Finally got our 9-second pass, first pass right off the bat. And we even had some issues at the top end. The car just hung up, and unfortunately I didn't follow my own rule of always data logging or having the laptop connect. I didn't even bring my laptop because the car had been working pretty well. Check it out guys, car 113, car 113. We had a 153 60 foot, 643 1/8 at 112, and then a 994 at 138.9. So what I'm gonna do now guys, since we've got our 9.9 pass in the books, let's go ahead and do just an NA pass, no nitrous, and see what the difference is between a nitrous pass and a no nitrous pass on the same day, same conditions, same everything. All right, get it out. It's out of manual. That's what it says. The launch was not the best. It spun shifting from first to second. There you have it. We just did the NA pass, and this is what that pass looked like. You had a 178 60 foot, 7.1 at 104 for the 8, a 931 at 130.6. So there you have it guys. A 150 shot is about a 1 second difference and about almost 9 miles an hour faster in the quarter mile compared to this NA setup. That is pretty crazy. Now we're gonna let the car cool down. Let's go see some cars that are out at the track. And now we've got Gen 2 5.0 or Gen 1, and it looks like a Gen 3. I believe the red one's a manual. They actually might both be. That red one spun its ass off. Even with all that spinning, an 11.4 at 132. Wow. That black one, you can tell it had like a turbo. I think it's a turbo, but it did pretty well. It spun its ass off. I don't know if it had drag rails or not, but it needs some. Up next, look at that, a ZL1 on a drag radial. All right, let's see what this one's got. Sounds pretty damn good. It spun a little bit off the hinge. It's moving. It's going. It's definitely going. 1097 at 131. So pretty much running what my car is running NA. Got another 6th gen here guys, full drag pack on this one on the left lane. Can't see it on the other side of the truck. There you go. That one looked like it hooked and went. And we've got a time of 12:0 at 112. That's a pretty low mile per hour, and it hooked though, so probably just has a tire, maybe a tune, but 112 is still pretty low. Well, so far the only really fast car that I've seen has been the gray ZL1 that ran like a 1097 at 132. Other than that, every other car has been running 11s, 12s. But yeah, let's go see if we can catch some cars, check them out, and maybe get some input from the owners and what they got done to them. Here's is the yellow one. I believe this one had an issue down the track. Upper pulley, lower pulley.
Upper, lower, of course the Rotofab.
Yeah.
Flex fuel, ported heads, blower still stock.
Awesome.
Other than that, full exhaust, no cats. Cortez ice tank in the back.
Stock cam or cam?
It does have a cam, Texas
Awesome.
Speed grind cam.
Sweet.
That's it.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
Like I said, best time so far is a 10-0.
Yeah.
So we'll see if we do better. The DA's a little bit better than last time I ran.
Good deal, man. It's an awesome car.
Thank you.
Hopefully you get that 9, man. 9.
If I can get at least a low 10 again, I'd be happy.
There you go.
It made it through the whole winter of me fucking standing here for 10 minutes trying to heat it up.
Check it out, guys. So this silver car here, the owner Joshua, is a nitrous car just like mine, and it's very simple setup. He's got stock airbox. I believe he just has headers and the nitrous kit on E85 and the drag pack, and it's been what, like low 10s already? A 10.2? Yeah, it's been 10.2s. So these 10-speed transmissions are so much different than the Chevys. He gets out of the hole a lot better, and good luck. The weather's doing really good, so hopefully you get that 9-second pass, man. We've got a silver 6th gen or dark nightfall gray metallic 6th gen. Took off pretty well. And it ran 11.9 at 115.9, almost 116. That's awesome. Alright guys, there we have Joshua in the nitrous silver 5.0. If he can get it. Oh, 10.2 at 132. It looked like he had a little bit of a hiccup here in the 60 foot, but man, he's close. Got a CTSV on a full drag pack. Sounded mean. That thing, I mean, there's one thing about those LSAs, man. The whine, that positive displacement blower, you cannot beat that. You got to kind of pedal it slightly, and that one ran a 10.5 at 131.7. Really damn good times. Alright guys, we got the yellow ZL1. Right off the line, but it kept going forward. 10.48 at 133.3. It did pretty well. It spun a little bit off the line, but it definitely was moving. Yeah, 133's trap speed is a little low for all the work that he's got done to it, but it definitely spun off the line, so it could definitely do a little better. We are about to do our 3rd run, and we are going to be running a very fast Mustang, guys. Very, very fast. I'm talking, this car is very fast. It has been 8s, but he's going to give me the hit, and we'll see. He says he's been having traction issues, so that might come to our advantage, and he might not be able to run us down. So fingers crossed, everything works well. I don't forget anything, and we can get a little W. It's always fun running other cars. the car just spun hard. I forgot to do the draggy. Man, that was flying. Well guys, the car spun hard off the line. I had to pedal it a little bit, and that's the first time it's ever spun using the nitrous, so definitely the weather helped. The car is definitely feeling the power, and you can see here it was a 169, almost 1,760 foot, and ended up being a 1039 at 137.5. So definitely got to get the numbers up there. We'll do one more chance. I'm gonna change a couple settings on the controller, probably increase the delay to about 1 second instead of 0.7, and see if that helps me grip at the launch. So we went ahead and made the changes already, guys. We've increased the delay time from 0.7 to 1 second. Doesn't seem like a lot, but hopefully that helps out a little bit. And our shifting is also kind of, oh, farm truck there. Our shifting has also been kind of revving out quite a bit. So what I did was I dropped down the end RPM for spraying by 100 RPM, seeing if maybe that'll help the car shift. We'll see if those changes make a difference and go from there. This time, which is good. All right guys, so this pass felt a lot better. It didn't spin as much. A 157 60 foot, a 650 8, so it's actually slower to the eighth, and only 111.6 miles, and a 1003 at 137.9. so yeah, definitely the changes helped. I think we could probably get away with bringing back the delay on the ramp in. Well guys, there you have it. 4 runs in, and except for one that spun, and of course the NA pass, all of them were right there. 1003. I finally got our 9.94 second pass, which is amazing. The car does need to get a little bit of adjustment on the shift points. I feel like it's not shifting smoothly there, so I'm sure Brett will be able to look over some previous logs I've got and adjust the shift points accordingly. But it is doing working really well, and guys, we finally got the 9-second pass. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.